Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome stable current version on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay, see the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux is Firefox. So open it, then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser. Then click on download Chrome. For Rocky Linux or Fedora or RHL, we have to select this .rpm. Select it and click on accept and install. See, download started. See here, its size is 115 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads. ls. See here we have the RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo dn rpm -ivh -no deps. Then give the tab to autofill and entire RPM package name. Hit enter. See, ignore the error, but we have successfully installed. Now go to activities, show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. And see here, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to send automatically use statistics and class reports to Google, you have to select the checkboxes. It is up to you. I don't want to interrupt them. Click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome. Okay. Unless this file is not recorded anymore, so delete it. rm Google, give the tab to autofill, enter file name, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome stable current version on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.